Built and dispatched in 1954 to the USA, this evocative XK120 Roadster SE was destined for a life in sunny California, quite possibly the largest market for this model in period. The post-war UK export drive, then in full swing, saw very few XK120s allowed to be distributed in the home market. This professionally restored example, finished in original colour Jaguar cream with navy hides and with matching numbers, was constructed in the desirable special equipment specification, which included high compression pistons, special lift camshafts and a twin exhaust system, all assisting in allowing the renowned 3.4 litre twin cam 6-cylinder engine to rev freely and produce an additional 20 brake horsepower over standard engine cars. Restored in the USA, where it remained until repatriation in 2014, the car has subsequently received maintenance and service works from established UK specialists, including a suspension rebuild, cylinder head overhaul to lead-free fuel specifications, and wide-ranging general maintenance, including the fitment of an ancillary electric cooling fan. Complete with folding hood and hide screens in original colour fabrics, the sculptural XK120 Roadster will forever be an icon of Jaguar's exceptional history and is popular for a variety of UK and European road events and tours, being both practical and robust. Documents included within the substantial history file include a Jaguar Daimler Heritage Certificate, restoration invoices, concours details, and the last UK purchase invoice dated 2017 when sold at £140,000.